Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something so exciting, a 30-minute speed cleaning. I challenge you guys to get this done. I did it during my lunch break and I was so happy with the results. I can't wait for you guys to try it too, so let's get started. Alright guys, so unfortunately I wasn't able to complete my whole bedroom, but I do still feel very satisfied with everything else that I did get done. The other bedrooms, the loft area upstairs, and my living room. I got so much work done in my room to where it was just dusting left in there. But as you guys can see, a 30-minute challenge seems like nothing. I honestly worked so hard. I was breaking a sweat at the end of it all. And I got so much accomplished. I encourage you guys to do a 30-minute challenge, get as much done as possible. It will make you actually like cleaning a little bit more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, like this video if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment down below with your favorite 30-minute cleaning activities.